Introducing multi-level meta-analysis. We use meta-analysis to combine results for multiple studies that answer a similar research question to calculate an overall effect. When the studies are nested in higher-level groups, the corresponding effect sizes can be dependent, and we need to account for these dependencies when calculating the overall effect. Now, in State 18, you can perform multi-level meta-analysis using new commands meta-multi-level and meta-ME-regress. Specify the effect size variable, moderators, cluster ID variables, and effect size sampling variability variable. Higher order clusters, random slopes, alternative covariance structures, and more are also available. After fitting your model, use ESTAT heterogeneity to compute multi-level heterogeneity statistics, or one of the new multi-level post-estimation commands. Learn more at stata.com.